We're here with Ken Muskat, the president of the Scenic Group USA. Ken, how are you?
I'm wonderful. Great to be back.
I am so looking forward to sailing on Scenic. I've heard such great things about the vessels, and you just launched a new one.
Yeah, actually next month, just a couple of weeks from now, we're launching Scenic Eclipse 2. And then in August, we're launching Emerald Sakara, which will be the new ocean yacht for the Emerald brand. So 2 new ships this year.
Wow. And apart from the 2 new ships, you have other vessels, obviously.
Yes, we also have 22 river ships that sail throughout Europe and Asia. And then the beautiful thing about the ocean yachts is Scenic is very much expedition, Arctic to Antarctica and everything in between. And the Emerald yachts are very warm weather, Caribbean, Mediterranean, almost like your own personal yacht. So a lot of differences and a great portfolio for people that are interested.
Tell me about the new culinary relationship with Scenic.
Well, we've got 2 celebrity chefs that we're working with. One is Chef Ben from Below Deck, which a lot of people know, and he's going to be curating 2 cruises for us. And then we have another one, Bryan Voltaggio, who's doing a couple of cruises as well. So we're working with them more or less on theme cruise type opportunities.
I'm getting hungry just talking about it.
Yeah, they're good. They're going to be great. They're a lot of fun to work with.
So we'll see you tonight at the Porthole party. There's a rumor you're going to be on the dance floor.
I will be at the Porthole party. I have not heard that rumor about being on the dance floor, but I hope so. I usually end up there somehow.
I think you and I will do a little, back and forth.
Yeah.
For sure.
No problem.
Ken Muskat, Scenic Group. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy. Thanks.